Alright, now that one, yeah, that's the outside one. Yeah, you can just keep on. You need to turn that a little more to really get it going. It'll wake up. A little more. Wow, so there we go. Alright, thank you. It's all good. You get that other one as well if you like. I think I had this for maybe $30 for all of these cars.
What you mean?
On eBay. Bought a lot of these cars.
$30 each? A whole bunch of them for $30?
Whole bunch of them for about $30. Great deal.
These are some big engines.
All these cars behind it? Yeah.
That's a passenger train.
I figured since this engine is old school, I put some old school cars with it. See, that's the only concern. See how the passenger cars lean so hard over the tracks? Because that's a harder turn.
Yeah.
That's all good. These turns in the back, that's a smoother turn than the ones in the front. We're going to pick it up a little bit. Yeah.
Is in this room, but he is not here.
Oh, that was
zoned out.
Once I get the board, I mess around and had the lights on the sides of the tracks.
Oh, see, we need to get a picture from down here.
Yeah, if I would do that, then I'm gonna mess around and get right here. It's trains approach. I got it yesterday, but yeah, there's the spot right here.
Turn down for what?
Yeah, that's me. That is me.
Got little rails on the top, like they set up for some reason.
Which ones?
Orange one, that one.
Orange and blue.
See that little rail on top of them, like they will stand up.
Oh, this here, that's just the box car. This here. Alright, I'm about to handle that right now. I'm just putting this on video. Look at here.
See, how come this one doesn't have the headlight on? Oh, because it's turned backwards.
I did that on purpose, but that engine works, but the headlight doesn't. I bought that one for about $50.
$50 and the headlight doesn't work?
Shoot, this one in the front was like $107 at a good deal. I've seen engines, I've seen some engines that are up there, a few hundred. I might get another train set. I already see the chassis system engines.
I told you I was watching A Christmas Carol where the little boy, they always told him, you'll shoot your eye if you get that BB gun. They went to this department store and they had this train. And it was going different directions and going through mountains and, different levels. Man, that's all right.
Yeah, see, that's the ones you plop up on the table. And then you can just have. I accidentally came with a nice little model, and I kept the paper too for how you can make the tracks do like a figure 8. I already have a bridge to where to go over top. I can buy a train station for this passenger train. Yeah, it's coming together. It's the best I had thus far, and haven't had one since middle school. I don't know what I was tripping on, because if I knew that I could get on eBay. What's happening, sis? I know I can get on eBay and just nigga pick with these things for like about $20. Oh, that's a nice little ride right there.
Which one did I buy?
This one. Yes, ma'am. He bought the engine. It had about 3 cars to it. Oh, it had about 3 cars to it. I think it's. I put them on here. The Norfolk Western car. Let me see. This came with it. This gray one right here came with it, and a caboose. 2 cars. Yeah, I know. I don't like Conrail to this day. Conrail went out of business though, but that was a major freight company east of the Mississippi, and they split the profit between the two, between CSX and Norfolk Southern. So a lot of tracks that used to be owned by Conrail, they're owned by one of these 2 major companies. Yeah, wait till the city put together. Truth be told, I know I may be showing out, but I may get the 4 major companies.
Good. I'm not showing out, just enjoying it.
Really, I told you they have racetracks, because Sarah's grew up with the racetracks. I grew up with the trains, and they have sets where the racetracks and the railroad tracks cross, so I can have it all be one set. And I mess around, make the racetrack be the highways, put lights on it and everything. So we'll see. But one little bit at a time. I definitely not gonna get all this overnight. That's neat.